Hello there and welcome back. This is going to be another Python video, and I want to show you a module which is called Icecream. So many times I find myself debugging with the print statement in my scripts or when I'm in any situation where I have to debug. And this is an interesting module that I have found in one of the Reddit topics about Python. And I just simply want to show you how you can use it. So let's bring up a terminal. And this is the warp terminal. Let's make it a little bit bigger. And technically, we have to open up a Python prompt, or the REPL, so to speak. And maybe, just maybe, I think there is a way to make sure that the terminal is at the top. So prompt, no. Pin to the top. Cool. So that way you should be able to see whatever I'm doing. So let's first use pip to install Icecream. Pip install Python dash oh, sorry, I'm in the REPL. So Python 3 dash pip install Icecream. And once the installation completes, we are simply going to go and try to use it. So here, let's clear this and open up Python 3. So now, if I want to use Icecream, I have to import from Icecream the IC. And if I define a function, so demo, and it takes a value I, and it returns the result of I by 3 is I by 3. Then if I execute this demo, and after I've wrapped this execution in IC, this is what we are going to see. So fail to access underlying source for code analysis in a REPL from the command line. Oh, technically it's not going to work in this case. So let's create a script. So let's navigate to demo and use the vi demo.py, and I'm going to copy and paste it here. So let's use the command v and from, and let's just clean this up. And this one as well. So now, if we execute it, Python 3 demo, then we should see this output. So technically, this is what we can and should do with this. We also have the option to go ahead and define classes. And inside this class, what I will do is to define an attribute. And this is going to be called demo. And I can use the IC demo class dot attribute. So now if I run demo, you can see this is the output message that I get. And we also can use IC to inspect itself and call a file name which it was used to call itself, and it will show line numbers and parent functions and whatnot. So technically, if I go back to the demo.py and I put a new function, so another, and here I call the IC and simply execute the another, then the following is displayed. So demo py at line 12 in another function at time, which is pretty cool, I think. We also have the format function in IC, and we can use it to return the result as a string and not to the standard output or standard error. So for example, if we go ahead and edit it and we say that the result is equal to IC that format, and we specify, let's specify the demo I with 5, then we can print the result, and there we go. What do we have here? Technically, we can also configure a prefix for the output. So if you go back here and use the ic.configure output with the prefix equals to Daniel's debug, then configure output, and if you run it, you can see that the prompt has changed. And we can also give it a timestamp or something similar. So technically, whatever you put in the formatting, you should be able to use it. And what else do we have here? We can also pass 2 arguments to the configure output, and we can say that we want to include context, and context ABS path equals true. And now if we run it, you can see that we have the absolute path and the context included in the output. So Icecream is kind of a versatile module that allows you to improve on your debug messages, and I think it's pretty neat. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.